Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and welcome to The Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm here twice a day for the opening bell and for the closing bell every weekday. So get involved in our community. We're here to share and support you and have a lot of fun trading, live trading on our on our stocks and shares, and of course cryptocurrency as well. So let's get straight into it. If it's your very first time, consider subscribing and ring the bell. Looks like the crowd are already coming in, which is always nice. So let's move over straight away to Google Station, as I like to call it. Here we go. And let's welcome in our crowd. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Bring our team up on the screen. We got Kofi here from Chicago, and just down the road, up the road from me here in Texas, we got Kenneth. Howdy! Look at you guys. Look at you guys on the blocks. You were there straight out of the gate. I'm very, very impressed with that. You were literally straight out of the gate as I went live. You were there. That's fantastic. This is good. It's been a great day today. I tell you what, guys, we're having some success here today with a few things. So first of all, let's calm down because I'm a bit excited. I'll tell you now. I'm a bit excited. There's a lot going on. First of all, if it's your very first time here, we've got more people coming in now. Click subscribe, ring the bell, and please, please, please do like the video. Like the video. It helps to share this video to more people. We have a community here helping you. Yeah, Robinhood, Robinhood, Robinhood. Shall we blow it? Shall we blow it? Who wants to bring it up, shall we? Okay, let's do it right now. Look at that, 23%. And I've now got a proper little a button here on my stream deck. You ready? Fantastic. We are ready to rock and roll, and when this happens, Mr. Love loves it. Thank you very much, everyone who's liked the video, supported me, and we're off and running. Kofi says, sound, bring in the sound. Yeah, absolutely. Really, really cool. This is great, right? Hey, Patricia, how are you? We're having a great day today. We've got loads to celebrate. Now, click like the video, click subscribe, ring the bell. Now, go below, look in the description, all right? Go below in the description of this video. I've added two new links today to my TikTok account. I've got two TikTok accounts, all right? Got the Martyn Lucas music one. We're having a heck of a lot of fun on that, by the way. You've got to go and check it out. And the Day Trader, we've created it. Now, Kenan said yesterday about getting a Facebook page and group, and I'm working on that. So I've already started the TikTok channel, and we've grown pretty quick today. We've had a lot of fun, so go and check it out. The links for all my different social medias and stuff are below in the description. Right, so look at Hood today. Oh, I'm so pleased I bought in Hood. I knew this was going to go well. Now, I'll tell you now, I will tell everyone, I will pre-warn you, I do think we're going to get a bit of a blowout, and then I think, oh, Alicia's here as well. Alicia and Paddy from Italy, thank you very much indeed. Welcome, 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 welcome to the party. Lovely to have you here. We're going sound effects crazy now, right? And we are really, really excited about our Hood investment. It's up $9. Look at that, the growth. Look. Let's have a look at it. Right, where am I now? I'm up. So we're up 25%, $235 in a day. And I like the fact that it hasn't like exploded in a meme sense. It's growing really strong and steady. Sam Hughes has come in. Welcome, Sam. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the party. Thank you, Sam. Lovely to have you here. Thanks for being here, mate. Click like. Oh, he's liked the video already. Sam's already liked the video. This is our record numbers now. 10 watching. 10 watching the regular show. We had a bigger audience on the IPO, Robinhood IPO. We knew that. But this is our biggest audience on our regular show. So there we go. Right. Really, really excited. Haha, beat you to it. You did. And we thank you very much indeed for that. So we're having a great day today. We've got lots to celebrate, lots to talk about. And I want you to go below, everybody, into the description and check out my TikTok channels. We just set up TikTok channels today. Right, so my portfolio today is 48.4. Now, we should be on 50, 51. which would be a record. The reason why we're down is because we've got a drop-off today in Bitcoin. I'm not worried about that. I'm going to bring up Sam Hughes' comment, haha, beat you to it. He's straight on, he came in and liked the video. Brilliant. Bitcoin is recovering a bit now, but we did have a bit of a drop earlier. But a lot of FUD around today with Bitcoin. Everyone's like worried about it. They're worried about it. When it goes down a bit, they all get stressed about it. It doesn't concern me in the slightest. Look, over the week, look, we're okay. And over the month, we're up. We had a bit of a drop. It's fine. It'll recover. It's... Robinhood doing good though. Yes, indeed. Robinhood is doing great today. We got our eye on that. There's a couple of things I want our technical analyst, our options expert, as I like to call him, who's in the house, Kenneth Brunk. Kenneth, I want you to have a little look at this for me. Harpoon Therapeutics. What do you think about it? It's one of my speculative stocks. Hello, welcome. We've got more people now joining in. Hello, lovely to have you here. Click subscribe and ring the bell. We are a community here supporting each other in the stock market and cryptocurrency. And it's real money that we are spending. It's my real money we're spending. And we have some people here to really support you and help you. I'm not a financial advisor. But Kenneth, have a look at Harpoon Therapeutics. Tell me what you think of that. It had a massive drop. It's got money invested in it. It can keep going for several years, so it's not going to go bankrupt. But it's on the floor at the minute. I'm still down 25% because I bought it around about the 11. I think my average is 13 actually. I bought it on the way down, but I'm just letting that sit there. When it gets up to about this level here, sort of 15, 16, I would sell it, get a bounce on that. But what do you think on that? Let's see if Kenneth can do us a technical analysis on that. All right. Robinhood. So we're looking at this, and we've had a lot of volume today. If I share with you, doesn't seem to be doing too good, but it might pick up. Okay, on it. Not an options expert. He's not an options expert, but he's had some success. That's like me. I'm the day trader, right? I'm the day trader. And I've had some success, but I'm not an expert. I'm a singer. I'm an entertainer who's investing for my future. That's all I'm doing. Right, let's have a look here. Let's have a look at Robinhood's volume today. And we can see why it's done. Whoa! Look at this. Look at this number here. I'm going to share with you on the screen my iPhone. Look at that. Robinhood has had 82 million today is the volume. 82 million, absolutely brilliant. We're really, really excited. We've got 11 people in the house now. This is a record number for us. We're a brand new channel. Look at that, 82 million. That's why we're seeing some real great growth there today. We're going to keep our eye on that. But our technical analysis is on the case for therapeutics. This was the other IPO that did on the same day. And this is up 33%. Who bought in Riskified? This is going to be huge in the future. I love Riskified. I've got a really good feeling about it. And I'm up 33%. I tried to get more shares, but Robinhood only gave me 12. I actually requested 25, but they only gave me 12. Arc Generation. You saw me this morning buy live this morning. Good luck as always. Oh, thank you very much, Patricia. Good luck as always. Thank you very, very much indeed. We appreciate that very much indeed. This is our pension, our future we're saving for. I bought in after. Which one did you buy in? Arc Next Generation Internet. Yeah. So it's down 1%. But that's always happens when you buy in, right? You buy in and it goes down. But I'm looking at look at the growth here, it's all about the internet, right? Starlink will be involved in that, I'm sure. Starlink will be all over that, so that's very, very exciting. We're looking at IPO risk field. IPO, you got the risk field, did you? Okay, cool. Yeah, it's up. It's up. In fact, where's it down over the week the few days now? No, it hasn't. It hasn't dropped off below. It hasn't gone below the IPO price. We're up now. 33% on that one. I'm really, really happy with that. That's good. So looking across at Bitcoin now, we're starting to see some growth again today. That's where my portfolio will come back. There we go. 48.4. I'm trying to get to 50,000. That's my next target. When Bitcoin makes 50, talking about 50,000, when Bitcoin does 50,000, I will sell $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. I'm looking forward to the what do you call it, the wallet. I've got my ledger here, look, my ledger nano. I've got that, look, ready to go. So I'll be taking that onto my cold wallet. We've got a good crowd now joining us. This is very exciting. I've had a great day today. How's everybody today? Well, we've been trading. Kenneth has been out in his garden trading. That's what he does. And I'm sat in my studio. Got a bit of a new setup today. Look, got lots of stuff coming into the new studio. And don't forget, at the end of this show, take a half an hour break. I'll be doing 2 requests. I've got no requests booked yet today. So go on to martynlucas.com, hit the request, the song list book file, and pick 2 songs. I've got 2 songs, 1 song each for the drive home show. I haven't got any songs requested today, so go and check that out. All right, check that out. Let me bring up another window here. I want to bring up the Day Trader channel, and go on to the Day Trader channel, and just below you'll see my other channel, which is the Martyn Lucas channel, and this is how you can request your songs this afternoon. Check out my shorts. I've had some viral action today on my shorts. I've been very excited about it. It's been really great. I've not had a viral video since Andre Bocelli, so I'm all excited today. These short features, really, really good. So we've got Kenneth Brunk. He's on it. He's doing some technical analysis for us on Harpoon Therapeutics. I took a lucky dip on this one. Their financials, they've got a lot of debt, but they've also got money for the future. So I'm okay with it. I think it's a good play. We'll see what happens, eh? Wow, yeah, it's been great. It's been great, Patricia. And thanks to you, because you watch a lot of my videos. But yeah, I've had some viral action today. It's been good. I've been working at that for 2 years to get some viral action. And but this is good today. It's our record audience. We've got double figures for the first time. So I'm very excited about that. So let's look across. I've got some news. News just in. Here we go. What's on the news today? Tesla. As you know, I want to get back in on Tesla. I sold my Tesla. I've got 1 share now, but I had more. Tesla AI Day gets a boost with UCLA professor tweet of advanced chip. What's all this about? Let's have a look. This is the future. This is why I'm investing in lithium as well, because we need more batteries, and we need. Talking about my ledger, look, there it is. How weird is that? That popped up on my. That popped up as an advert, look, for the ledger. By the way, if you want any of the equipment from my studio or any of the stuff I use, go to my in the links below, in the description below. You'll see a link to my Amazon shop if you're interested in the stuff that I use. So let's have a look here. Tesla AI Day is coming August 19th. Oh, I want to watch that then. I want to watch that. That'll be good. CEO Elon Musk said it is mostly a recruiting event, but many are still hoping for some new information about Tesla's autonomy strategy, updates on the upcoming Dojo supercomputer, and more. I'm having a fantastic day for Robinhood. I'm up. Whoa! Hang on a minute. Let's stop talking about Tesla for a minute, because we want to celebrate Kofi's success. Kofi is up $1,500 today. That's right. You bought a lot, didn't you? How many did you buy again? Was it 120? Was it 120 shares? Kofi is celebrating. I'm having a fantastic day for Robinhood. Look at that. I'm so excited for Kofi. Are you holding on? I wouldn't sell. I wouldn't sell. But that's just only me. But what are you thinking? I'm so pleased for you. Should we give them the party noise? Should we celebrate? We're celebrating. There we go. We're celebrating for Kofi, who's here today supporting us. Oh, great. Congratulations, Kofi. Look at that. It's a good feeling, right? It's a good feeling. So we want to support Kofi. 164 shares. Oh, that's what I should have had. I didn't have the funds. I didn't have the funds at the time. So I was unable to, congratulations there indeed. I was unable to get any more invested in it. I've got a measly 25, but what the heck. Celebrate, yes. Oh, wonderful stuff. Thank you everybody for supporting Kofi. There we go. Kofi, what you could do is one of the things I do quite often is I take some profits off the table. I wouldn't sell all my shares of Robinhood, but what you could do is you could take some profits off the table. So, maybe sell $500 worth, and then that'll give you some buying power. Maybe you could do that. That's what I tend to do if I've made a considerable profit. I take some money off the table. So then you've hedged your position then. If it goes down, you've already got some profit, which you can reuse to buy in. If it goes up, well, not a problem. You've only taken out some money. So that's kind of that's the way I play that. Yeah, Alicia is very, very happy for Kofi. Kofi's from Chicago, and great. We got a full house today. We got a full house. We got everybody who's watching is like the video, so we are rocking and rolling. There we go. Fantastic. Subscribe and ring the bell, everybody. All right. So we're still waiting for our friend Kenneth. He's doing a technical analysis for us. So let's go back to that. Go back to that news. We've got to keep on top of the news. So now a new hint has emerged from Dennis Hong, a mechanical and aerospace engineering professor. Hong tweeted a picture of a stacked company chip. Have I got that right? With many different components, no details were given. And when asked for information, Hong replied, "Can't say anything just yet." When you hear news like that, you kind of want to buy into find out who the company is that making these things, because that's the next success story, right? Let's look at Apple today. Apple's up again. I'm up 2%. We're up 1.5%. I'm up 2% today. I bought back in that recently, so that's good to see. Apple's got some news. Apple's always got some news, right? Apple healthcare stocks help Wall Street shrug off Delta worries. Let's have a look. Wall Street's main indexes rose on Tuesday on gains in Apple and healthcare stocks, even though concerns around a surge in the Delta variant of the coronavirus took some shine off an upbeat corporate earnings season. What does everybody feel about the Delta variant? In England, we're kind of getting back to normal, so I feel that America is a couple of months... No, about a month behind us. So I think we will see some upturn, some improvement in America in the coming weeks. I really do. Okay, I will sell, but I want to stay in a good grace with pre-IPO opportunity. Yes. Yes, that's right. That's right. If you do sell now, you've got that 30 days, haven't you? Or is it 60 days? You're not supposed to sell for a number of days. Is it 30 or 60? And then you won't be able to take part in a pre-IPO again. I do think Robinhood's got a lot more to do. So I'm sure you won't, be out of. I'm sure you won't lose by holding in. It's just I like to take some profits off the table. But yeah, but I won't stay in good grace with the pre-IPO access opportunity. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see. It'd be interesting to see if you do take a bit of profit, what will happen. You could be a good test for us to see what actually happens, and then we can all learn from that. They said they don't. It does say in the rules that you may not be able to take part in a pre-IPO. It doesn't say you won't. You may not be able to. So you might not be able to. But for me personally, I'm not really bothered about that because I've got everything invested anyway. So. But we shall see. We shall see what you do. But yeah, if it was me, I would sell a bit to see what happens. But anyway, that's your decision. I'm not a financial advisor. Remove from broadcast. There we go. So going back over, let's move on a minute from Apple. Let's look at our next news. Amazon's got some news as well. Amazon's up now because I bought down. I was a % or two down with Amazon because I bought the dip. Okay, here we go. Kenneth's come back with some information for me. Yeah, Harpoon is a very low volume. I know it is. There's hardly any trading at the moment on it. You're absolutely right there. I wasn't digging too deep for the reasons why, but it tanking hurt badly. I don't think it's done going down. But their earnings report may help it out. Yeah. I agree with that. I do agree that it's maybe got some more going down, but I don't really feel comfortable buying any more. Not because I think it's in trouble or anything like that. It's just that I've got nearly $970 invested in it, and it is a speculative stock, right? 2% for a speculative stock is more than enough, isn't it? For something that is just merely a stab in the dark, I don't want to be investing, 5-10% of my portfolio. So I don't want to put any more in. I mean, I'd have to put $1,000 in now to take my negative 25 to around about negative 12. So and I don't want to do that. I don't really want to do that. But what I might do is I might wait until if it hits 30 or 40% down, then I might do a $1,000. Then I might do $1,000. But I'm right in what I'm saying, aren't I? It's got some capital. It's going to keep going for a few years. It's not like it's not in the bankruptcy stage, is it? And their earnings report may help it out. Yeah. What is their earnings status at the moment? Look. See, look at this. A strong buy. It's a strong buy from the analysts. See, on Robinhood, they're giving it an 80% buy. And look, the earnings is slowly moving up. They're still losing money, but look, we're slowly moving up. And the next report is August the 13th. So we've only got 10 days. And if that goes up again, I'm going to be in the money. If that goes up again, I'm going to be in the money. So maybe I will, actually, Kenneth. Maybe I will wait another few days, see if we can go minus 30, 35, and buy another 1,000, and that will take me somewhere in the region to 12% down. And then we've got a long way up then. A lot of up, put it that way. I wouldn't trust those analysts. Let me have a little read of that. Let me get your opinion on that. I wouldn't trust those analysts. They're almost always really unreliable. Where do those analysts come from, and how often are they updated? I was worrying about that. How often are they updated? So it'd be good to know. I have seen some of these analyst reports and buying and hold and sell positions change. So they do change it. I don't know how often they change it. I've not been able to ascertain how often they change it, but I have noticed they have changed? That's the question. Yeah. That is the question. I mean, if they change every 6 months, if the analyst report changes every 6 months, that ain't very good, is it? Let's put a bit more light on my face a minute. There we go. Is that better? There you go. I was turning a bit orange then. So, yeah, that'd be good to know. But thank you, Kenneth, for that analysis. What do you think, though? Not a bad bet? Have a bit of that? I don't know. What do you think? So anyway, that's why it's only 2%. Don't want to be going crazy. So we've got another 4 minutes before we go into the after hours. The market will close. Very often you see a bit of action in the after hours. Best way to see is to check several reliable sources and get a good recent average. But isn't that what that report is supposed to be? Isn't that what Robinhood are doing for us? They're giving us that information. So, you know, doing all this research, isn't that what that is? Isn't that somebody who's done that research? I mean, I'm assuming that is research done by people who know more than me. Nope. You're not going to buy into it, or just clarify, nope. Oh, I've got a new feature today. I forgot to tell you, didn't I? I forgot to tell you about my new feature. Added today. You can call in live to the show from your phone or your computer. Your computer has a webcam. Your phone has a webcam. You can call in and be live in my show. Would you like to see how we do it? Do you want to see how we do it? Okay, let me show you. Right, this is the interview screen. You can be in that space there, and you can be talking to me on your phone. If you want to, if anybody wants to test it out and say hello and be in that screen, this is what you do. All right, this is what you do. Let me go back to it. Let me go back to my main screen a minute, and I will share with you what you do. Why can't I see Google? There it is. Right, here is the link. Right, here is the link. It's bit.ly/Martyn Live. That's easy, isn't it? bit.ly/Martyn Live. Okay? If you put that in your browser, on your computer, your iPad, or your phone, whatever's got an audio device, microphone, and camera, you can be live on the show. So you could say hello to everybody, wish everybody well, and you could also ask a question or just get your face on the telly. So if you want to try that, it's bit.ly/Martyn Live. It's a secure service, HTTPS, so you're all good. And there you go. You could be live in the show. All right. So I'll let you try that out if you fancy it. Okay. Their analysis is based on whatever someone feels it should be. This is it, right? This is like the people who do the charts who say the golden cross, the death cross. I see this, I see that. Do you know what I do? When they start doing that, I go outside and look at the clouds. And if I see a face in the clouds, I think a face means sell. It means this is about to happen. So anyway, their analysis is based on whatever someone feels it should be. Robinhood never gives their reasons. When I was new, I was burned hard by those analysis. Always do your own due diligence. Did you see how I knew what DD stood for? I've learned that. Due diligence. You're absolutely right. Kofi's laughing. Kofi's he's just laughing. All right. Does nobody want to call in and do the live call-in? Who's going to be the first person? bit.ly/Martyn Live. If we've got anybody, and we've got people on Facebook again today watching. If they're watching on Facebook, what are you doing? I'm going to give you the link right now. Come and join us with my team. If you want all this love and support from my team with what we're doing with the stock market, you've got to be on YouTube. You can't be on Facebook. So let me go into the live chat. Okay. Join me on YouTube. There we go. And let me give you the link. Here we go. There's a link for you. So if you're watching me on YouTube now, and I see many people are, I don't know why people do that. Why do they watch you on Facebook? That's a mystery to the world. For Sant Maru's watching me on Facebook, look. He's a rich bloke. He's got millions. He's coming in for the technical. You know what he's after? He's after the technical analysis from our friend Kenneth Brunk. So there we go. Come on over to YouTube, join the party. We've got a record number now, double digits. So we're off and running. Love it. I've got to get to 4,000 watch hours. There we go. The market's now closed. There we go. The market's now closed, and we can watch what Robinhood will do after the market closes. Sometimes you have a bit of positive action. I've noticed that. So it's all good. Much better today now. Let's see. I was dramatically down, but things have started to improve today, and that's much better. 48.5. If Bitcoin starts to pick up now, and Carnival and Robinhood, where did Carnival end up, by the way? Let's have a look where Carnival ended up today. Say it made back its losses. It made back its losses. See, we were down some 4%, and we've made that back up again. That's better. That's where my gains have come from today. Boeing. Have you seen Boeing today, everybody? We're seeing some action. Look at Boeing today, up 1.5%. That's the flights, the plane starting to fly again. So I'm excited about that. Boeing delays astronaut capsule. Let's come back to that in a minute. Harpoon, look, another little dip there. Hood, flat, that's okay. Riskified, flat. This is my new one today, ARC Next Generation Internet, flat right now. And Bitcoin, just sitting there, threatening to go back up again. Let's have a look over on the iPhone. There we go. That's how the app's looking right now. Great stuff. So we're going to go through until 27 minutes. And then I will be taking my half-an-hour break. And I'm back for 2 requests. If you want to make a request and join me on the live show, you can. Here is the website. Go there, pick a song, and you can have the drive show request show. There it is. There it is, right there. All right. It's on the home page of where you are now, the Day Trader. There it is. That's where we're live, and that is where the link to the other channel is. Okay? Great. So there we go. Let's have a look. Let's go to the live position. We've got just a couple of weeks to go now. Here we go. Got some information just coming in now from Kenneth on the wire. Robinhood is tough to call because it has no history. It looks like it's going to pull back a bit, though. Not sure. Yeah, it's bound to. It's bound to pull back. We've got a long way to go with Robinhood. When they bring out the wallets, that's going to be a huge benefit. And there's... What's the other thing that I'm looking forward to seeing? There's 2 things that Robinhood have got coming up. There's the wallet, and there's something else, and I can't remember what it is. Also, they are looking into going around the world, other countries, which will be a good thing. They may be part of the reason of the consolidation. It's in right now. Everyone is waiting and watching. Kenneth, could you give me more information about that? Give me more information about that, so I can learn what you mean. The consolidation. I've been reading bits and pieces about that today. Explain what you mean by that. You could, by the way, call in. If you're brave enough, you could be in my live show today. Here is the link. You can call in. Just put that into your browser on your phone or your computer, and you can call straight into the show, and you can tell everybody what you mean by the consolidation. Everyone is waiting and watching. So we shall see what that's all about. I'm going to learn about that. Keep on learning, keep on learning. Who's it? Is it Dory? From, what's it? Not Shark Tank. What's it called? Keep on swimming, keep on swimming. Nemo, Finding Nemo. Keep on swimming, keep on swimming. Keep on learning, keep on learning. And remember, it's always a good idea. I've got to stop doing the sound effects. Who thinks I should have some more sound effects? Here we go. Here we go. Consolidation is where the price keeps a relatively narrow range, letting the variables stabilize. Consolidation is where the price keeps a relatively narrow range, letting the variables stabilize. Once they do, the institutional will make moves and everyone else will follow. Okay. Consolidation is where the price keeps relatively narrow range, letting the variables stabilize. Once they do, institutions will follow. I get it. I get that. That makes a lot of sense. That makes a lot of sense. I understand that because the speculative meme stocks, when they fly up to 1,000% and then down 1,000%, the big money doesn't want to get involved with that. I totally understand that. So yeah. Kofi says, I love the effects. Do you know, I love the effects, especially when I get a great idea. You got to, you know, we're only talking about our future here. Kofi's made $1,500 today. This is serious. But, you know, when it's serious, I think it's good to have a bit of fun, don't you? And always drink plenty of water. Very, very important. Otherwise, you get dehydrated. I've got a new app on my phone which makes me, keeps me level-headed. And tells me you need to drink another 20 ounces. Nobody drinks enough water. One of these days I'll call in. One of these days I'll call in, but I don't think it'll be today. Well, often when people say that to me, it's because they say I'm sitting here in my pants, in my underpants. We don't want anybody calling in in their underpants, right? Very interesting. I'm learning a lot. There you go. Alicia and Patricia, see that? We are educating future investors here. They're seeing, I mean, this is real. You know, me, Kenneth, and Kofi, we're not experts, but we are investing our real money. How do you become an expert? An expert, in my opinion, is someone who does it, keeps doing it, keeps learning, keeps moving forward, and you know they're honest and real and genuine when they're investing their real money. That's my real money on the screen. Let me just tell you, I can't afford to lose $48,000. Because listen, that's my pension right there. If the stock market went to zero right now, that's it. Boom. I've got no money. So you won't get any more real than that. It's very easy for someone to say on a YouTube channel, I'm an expert and I know what I'm talking about. Please sign up to my this and that and the other. When it ain't their real money, this is my real money. You saw me buying this morning when I bought into, what was that I bought into this morning? Arc Next Generation Internet. You saw me do it live on the show. It's because I'm also monitoring and maintaining a few trades. That's fair enough. That would be great. Can you imagine if you called in, get a camera set up on your screens, showing everybody what you're doing? That'd be good, wouldn't it? We could see a technical analyst on his screens doing his thing. We could learn from you, Kenneth. For the moment, we're able to use eToro. Yes, that's right, eToro. I looked at using eToro. I just prefer Robinhood. And you're going to get Robinhood. When Robinhood comes out, I'm going to send you a link. Oh, by the way, if anyone's watching, if you go below and you want a free stock, you can get a free stock on the Robinhood app. You just go below. Everyone's got to go below and check out all my links, because I want you to come and join me on TikTok, and I want you to go and join me on my YouTube channels and all my Twitters and all that stuff. There you go. So we've got just 15 minutes to go now. Not so able. Yeah, you're not able yet at the moment. I know. Ah, Robinhood. Look at that. Slightly up in the after hours. Look. There we go. A bit of buying going on here in the after hours. See that? So that's good. We've got after hours action as well. That's the first time actually I've seen it go up in the after hours since it IPO'd. That's good. Oh, come on, Bitcoin, you're letting me down. Bitcoin is bringing my entire portfolio down. I've got $8,000 in that. I was up nearly $1,000. Yeah, so my portfolio would be 49.5. If it wasn't for Bitcoin, I'd be at my all-time record. Of course, it's much better. Well, I don't know. eToro is great, but I just like Robinhood, and not so able. Oh, never mind. But if Bitcoin Bitcoin isn't going to go down much. People are buying in again. That's what they're doing. Talk a little more about how to use Robinhood Level 2 analysis. Yeah, right. If you pay $5 a month, you get the gold plan. And the gold plan gives you extra features. It gives you a few extra features, and I'll show you on the iPhone what it does. So if you pay $5 a month, right, you are a gold member. You get some extra benefits of the amount you can I think options trading. No, I think you can do that anyway. I can't remember, but one thing is this. Let's go on to here. You get this. You get level 2 market data. As Kofi said this morning, it's only really good for moment-to-moment price action. That's what we learned this morning from Kenneth. I have it, and I've not found it useful. You can scroll down, look, and you can see who's buying, how much they're buying. But I did some research on this, and the market makers actually know that this would help us, if you like, predict in the future, and they mess around with it, and it's not completely clear. They do a few things which can be misleading. I've read that. I've read that they can hide a few things in this, but see how you can see certain amount of shares are being purchased. Now, I've looked at this a few times, and you see like a lot more buying or a lot more selling, and then that tells you that it's likely to go up or likely to go down. But I've never actually found it to be accurate. So, you take that as you will. I'm not so sure if it's really if it's worth anything. But I mean, what else do I get for the $5 a month? There's something else. Oh yeah, if I go into a stock for the gold plan, I also get this here. Here we go. You get this as well. You get this here. The gold research report. Now it tells me It tells me, for example, economic moat is wide, so they got a good protection. Fair value is 4,200. It tells me what the fair value is, and Amazon is 3,366. Right, it tells you that. Uncertainty is high, and stewardship is exemplary. So you get this extra information, and you can get a full report, thesis, fair value, economic. This is all extra information that you get with the goal plan. So you can open all these up and have a little look, risk, so you can read more about it. Now, this information is obviously going to be available. I've got an update here from... oh, yeah, there we go. I've got a report just coming in from Kofi that we're seeing Robinhood up again. Indeed, we are. Look at that in the after hours, 48. What did you do, Kofi, if you sold all your holding? Because you don't want to damage your pre-IPO position. I agree with that. You don't. But it only says, in the terms and conditions, it says flipping, right, may. If you flip, you may be taking part in a future IPO within either 30 or 60 days. I'm not sure which one it was now. On the larger cap and higher volume stocks, Robinhood's reporting is more accurate in my observations. Okay. On the larger cap and higher volume stocks, Robinhood's reporting is more accurate in my observations. Okay. I'm not so sure it's really, I don't know, it's $5 a month, you know. I'm praying. Does that mean you're selling some, or are you holding on? What are you doing? I bet you're happy, aren't you, Kofi? All this extra after hours movement here. I bet you're very excited, aren't you? You'll be approaching $2,000 up in a minute. That's not a bad day out, is it? Still holding. I bet you're glad you did now. Oh, I'm really pleased. It's lovely. It's lovely when you hear someone doing so well, isn't it? It's lovely when you hear someone doing so well. That's what this channel is about. We're here to support each other on the up days and the down days. The up days and the down days, of course, because there will be down days. Because everybody give me some love right now, because I'm losing money here on Bitcoin. Let's see. If I look at the day, I'm down 1% today, but on the week I'm flat. On the month I'm up 10%, but yeah, I'm down. This figure here, 895, I had it up to 1,800. I'm down $1,000 from what I was a few days ago. So there you go. Mr. Love's going to give me some love. There we go. I got some love from Mr. Love. We got a good crowd here today, by the way. It's a nice crowd. Thank you very much. We've held all the way through our double digits 10. That's 10 hours of watch time. Because what we want to do is get 1,000 subscribers, and we're halfway there now, and 4,000 watch hours. We're coming up to nearly 500 watch hours, so we're just over 10% of the watch hours. But every day that increases, so it's good. I'm happy with that. If hood double tops, the price will come down a bit. If it triple tops, it's likely to fall. Just my experience. We understand that, and we appreciate your experience, Kenneth, very much indeed. If hood double tops, the price will come down a bit. If it triple tops, it's likely to fall. Just my experience. Yeah. Let's go back and look at hood. Let's see what it's doing. After hours, up nearly 3%, 2.91. I've got some love for Mr. Love. Cool Mr. Love. Yeah. Indeed. Cool Mr. Love. Everybody loves Mr. Love, right? You got to have some love here. This is what this platform, this is what this channel is all about. Supporting each other. And don't forget to join me later on. Here we are now on the Day Trader. Just scroll down and you'll see the Martyn Lucas channel. Click on that, subscribe and ring the bell. And you can then join me for the drive home party. 2 requests available, so get yourself in there. So could this be FOMO? Yeah, of course it could. Of course it could. It could be fear. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. There's so much publicity. I mean, look at the volume. Look at the volume on Robinhood. I mean, let's have a look at it here. See what it's jumped up to. There you go. Look at that. We are now looking at 88,300,000 on the volume. So people don't want to miss out. Absolutely. People are buying in. But I believe the value of Robinhood is going to go up anyway. I believe we have so much growth with Robinhood. 30% now. Look at that, 29.2. 30%, there we go. We just hit 30%. Day traders, after hours, the major institutions can't correct the price, so they have a tendency to play PM and AH. Go on then. What's PM and AH? Give us that, at least at times like this. Pre-market and after hours. Got it. Pre-market and after hours. Day trade, let me bring that up. That's a good point, that is. I like that one. Day traders, after hours, the major institutions can't correct the price. So they have a tendency to play pre-market and after hours. Yeah, I already said that, didn't I? Pre-market and after hours. I'm glad I got that right. So we're keeping an eye on it. We're only going to be here for another 6 minutes. And then we're out of here, getting ready for the after show party. The drive home. We're keeping our eye on Hood, and we're still buying and we're still moving up. We are now 29.65% up. In the after hours, we're up $1.66, 3.55, 3.61, 3.61% now. So we're getting some considerable growth in the after hours, aren't we? Make of that what you will. We've got 2 things here to bring to your attention. It's likely there are a bunch of people looking to scalp it. Absolutely, I can totally get that. As in, buy in, move the price up, then sell at a certain point and let it come back down. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, it's highly possible that. I'm not going to sell. I'm going to stay where I am. I'm in Bitcoin at 35,000. I sold at 40 2 days ago. Ooh. I didn't do that. I am in, my average is 33.5. So I'm just below you. I'm at 30. There's my average there. Look, let me just clear the screen off a little bit. Make it easy for you to see. I'm in at, there we go. There's my average, 33.5. That's my average. I didn't sell. I stayed there. That's the thing, isn't it? Knowing when to sell. And it's impossible. It's impossible to know. If everyone knew that, the market wouldn't work, right? If everyone knew the future, it wouldn't work. Because no one would ever sell, no one would ever buy. Everybody would be waiting for the moment, which would never come. Because everybody knows it. That's how this has to work. That's why if you just invest long term in something you believe in, and leave the speculation to everybody else, I don't concern myself with it. That's the way I look at it. There we go. Tiny little bit of, I thought I saw a bit of selling there. It's not showing up here. Hood is consolidating under a major retracement line, forming a double top. There we go. We're getting information there. I'm going to sit down with you, Kenneth, and learn about these things. I'd like to know what charts you use as well. I'd be interested to see what charts you're using. Hood is consolidating under a major retracement line, forming a double top. I'd love to show you. Me too. Weeble. Using Weeble. Okay. Let me open up Weeble. Chart. Do I have to sign up for Weeble to get the charts? Probably do. But that's okay. I could have a Weeble account, couldn't I? I could have a Weeble account. I'll come back to that. I'll leave it open. Oh, hello. We got some growth. We got some movement here now. What's moving up there? Wow, Hood just broke out. Yeah, I see it. Kofi is getting very excited, right? Kofi's got very excited. Shall we do an extended show today? Oh no, we can't, can we? Because we've got the drive show, so I can't. I could do a few more minutes, but I can't be here indefinitely until 5 o'clock, which is the actual close. But I'm going to need another horn. There it is. What are you up now, Kofi? Are you up $2,000? Must be getting close, right? Flippin' heck. I would count this as a good news for Hood for tomorrow. Oh, blimey. We're on to big things now. 1906. 1906. Mr. Love is loving it. The drinks are on, Kofi. 1906. And we are moving. Yeah, we are too. I'm going to get these Weeble charts, and I'm going to start seeing the same charts that Kenneth is using. So absolutely fantastic. Look at that, 88 now, nearly 89 million is the volume. Kenneth, what does that actually mean? When it says 88 million, does that mean 88 million trades? Is that what that means? I know it's the volume, but is that 88 million trades? Which is very, very high. If you use the referral link, we both get extra stocks if you make it. Oh, okay then. I showed it. What? Oh. If you use my referral link, we both get... Kenneth, I did... Hang on a minute. Pin, report, remove, hide. There you go, Kenneth. I've just made you a moderator for my channel. 88 million shares have been traded. There we go. I've just made you a administrator. I did accept your comment. Could you put the link in again? Because now I've made you an administrator. You're promoted. Aha, sweet, thanks. There you go. Look, you got your name all in blue with a spanner to it, next to it, look. So, Kenneth, if you share that link again, I will take a look at that. Yeah, give me a moment. All right. And you are a moderator until you start misbehaving yourself. Start being naughty. Coming in and sharing naughty pictures, and I'll take you off. Oh, blimey. Look at Robinhood, everybody. All right, we're over time. I'm going to have to go in a second. So what a wonderful day it has been today. We're all very, very excited. My portfolio is up. We're up. There we go. Let's see if your link pops up now. There it is, Kenneth. There is your link. If anybody wants to get a free stock from Webull and give a bit of love to Kenneth, he gets one as well. We both get one. He gets one and you get one. It's your show. That will never be forgotten. Hey, I'm very happy that you've sent us your link, and there it is. I'm very, very happy for that. There's the link for everybody. If everyone in the chat now, 10 people in the show did it, Kenneth would get 10 links. Actually, we get a couple of free ones. Oh, there we go. So if 10 people clicked on it, you'd get 20 stocks today, and each of us would get 2. There we go. We're here to help everybody, right? Everybody wins on the day trader. And that's wonderful. We'll celebrate that. We'll celebrate that with a party noisemaker. Right, everybody, we got to go. I'm glad everyone's having a wonderful day. One final look at Hood. And if only Bitcoin would recover, I would be breaking my all-time records. But that's the way it goes. One thing's up, one thing's out. Only if you choose to deposit $100. Okay. Well, we've got Kofi, who's a millionaire now, so he's got $100. I've got $100. So there you go. I'll do it. Only if you choose to deposit $100 or more. Okay. I don't see a reason why not, Kenneth. I want to support you. I want to give you a couple of free stocks, and I'll have a couple of myself. Why not? I'll do it. I think I should be in Webull as well. Right. Okay, that's it from me. I've got to go get ready for my show. That just leaves me to say, you know how it goes, right? God bless America. God save the Queen. Take care of yourselves and each other. We'll see you back later. We'll see you back in just 25 minutes on the music channel. We need 2 requests. If we don't get any, I'll be doing what I like. See you back in the morning for the opening bell. It's going to be great. Oh, yes. Thanks to thanks to all that I held strong. Yes. Held strong, and we want the air horn. Have fun. See you back in the morning for the opening bell. It's going to be a great day for Robinhood. It's going to be very volatile. Is Kofi going to sell? Am I going to get an opportunity to buy more? Is Kenneth going to get his free stocks from everybody? Are we going to get free stocks? Well, we are if we sign up. That's it. See you back in the morning. See you back in 25. Bye-bye for now.